I think class just take last 10 more minutes. And once you'll complete it, no, just text me done. I'll discuss the paper today itself only. So that you don't have to join the class on Tuesday. Because only for 3 questions you will be joining. So text me done once you have completed it, all of you. Then I'll discuss it. Okay, Hanifa and Fatima have completed. Please wait, Hanifa and Fatima, 5 to 10 minutes, just till the time Hiba, Huzefa, and Rifat are doing. Then I'll discuss it. Huzefa and Hiba, last 5 minutes. And what about you, Josefa? I hope you are towards the completion only of the paper. Let me know about your update, Josefa. Okay, Josefa, just take 2 to 3 more minutes, then I'll discuss it. The solutions are already written. I'll just discuss it. Wherever doubts you people are having, then you can ask. Fatima, you had your exam today, no? Fatima?
Yes, teacher.
So how did it go?
Teacher, I thought more derivations would come, so I learned more of the derivations, but most of it was calculations.
You only did the derivation.
No, I learned some of the calculations, but I paid more attention to the derivation.
But in your papers, whenever you are having exam, derivations will be just having a smaller percentage only. Like whichever paper you take, whether it's your mock test or even this small, very small class test, one is the derivation question, two rest are calculations. Derivations will come in your exam. 1 or 2 derivation will definitely come. But out of all the questions that are appearing, it will be just 1 or 2. So don't totally rely on derivations and do not leave it as just keep in mind derivations are a part of it. Prepare your derivations well so that whenever a derivation comes or any formula based question comes, that you do not miss. But for the calculation part, practice the formula. Learn the formula because easy direct formula based questions are also given. Majority 80% are based, the question paper is based upon average students score only. So do not completely rely on the derivation. So this was which exam? Your pre-boards, Fatima?
Yes.
Okay. So when the results will be displayed?
I don't know.
So they are still going or this was your first exam?
They're still going on.
Still going. Okay, okay. So from your question paper, no, Fatima, whatever question you had, if you have any doubts, no, you can send.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, last time there were more of the derivations. That's why I thought this time also it would be like that. Last mock test.
Yes, yes, I understand that. But pattern keeps on changing, and even this part you cannot rely for boards exam also. If you look at the previous year's questions, no, they are mixed up questions are there. But still, by looking at that also, this is not assured that the question paper that will come will be having more of derivations, right? They just change the pattern remains the same, as in this much MCQs, this much 3 markers, this much, this many, these many 2 markers, one long question like this will remain fixed. But it can be a very lengthy paper. Questions will be the same, but many parts. First question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So it will increase. It can be lengthy as well. It can be a shorter paper as well. So much calculations also can be there, and it can also happen that the paper is totally theoretical. So anything can happen in your final exam also. So all of you, not just for Fatima, this is I'm referring to all of you, just be prepared for this part as well. Fine. So I hope, Josefa, by now you have completed the paper. Let me discuss it. Wherever you people are having any issue, no, let me know. I have written the solution. See, a small telescope has an objective focal length. A small telescope has an objective focal length 140 centimeters and an eyepiece of focal length 5 centimeters. Magnifying power of telescope when image is formed at infinity and image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. So what has to be done? Magnifying power is only asked. When magnifying power is only asked, you know the formula for magnification. So in one case, image is formed at infinity. In another case, image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. And you already know that this least distance of distinct vision is what? 25 centimeters. So this is also formula based question only. Just you have to write the formula for image final image at infinity's formula and final image at least distance of distinct vision's formula. So formula for this is, see class, this is the solution for it. Please keep on cross-checking it with your answer sheets. Please match it with your answer sheets. So focal length, see in first part and normal adjustment. This is, we have the magnifications formula as f naught divided by fe. So directly take the ratio, that will be 28. And when you have magnification for the second part, least distance of distinction, so you multiply this entire term f naught by fe with 1 plus fe by d. So 1 plus fe by d, d is 25, se is 5, fo is 140. So 28 into 1.2, this will entirely become 33.6. All right, just check all of you with your answer sheets, whatever you have written it. I'll not be checking those answer sheets, just check it by yourself only. And wherever, because just now you have solved that question by yourself. So wherever you are having any doubt, let me know. And anyone wants me to stop anywhere, you want to note something, please just stop me. All right, I'm moving to question. Obtain an expression for threshold frequency for photoelectric emission in terms of work function of metal. So you just have to find out the expression. See, normal expression of energy is E is equal to h nu, right? E is equal to h nu. And the formula for specifically, if you talk about the threshold wavelength, threshold frequency and all, so that becomes h nu naught is equal to phi naught. So this we have to derive actually. H nu naught is equal to phi naught. Fine. All right. So see, for this expression, we'll start with this only. Energy is equal to, I'll show you. See here, energy is equal to kinetic energy maximum plus phi naught. So E is equal to h nu. Kinetic energy is half mv square. Now see, plus phi naught. This is Einstein's equation. Here at threshold frequency, no kinetic energy is given. All right, at this threshold frequency's value, no value of kinetic energy is given. So remember this fact, because then otherwise you will be stuck. What to do with this half mv square? Right. So just remember, because at threshold frequency, electrons movement hasn't occurred. No, the critical limit has reached just now. Frequency, you have gotten your expression, phi naught divided by the Planck's constant. This is what you have. So please mark it, check it. And all these questions, these are not lengthy questions. 2 to 3 marker questions are only there. Now, last question says, this is a little lengthy as in comparison with first and 2. In Young's double slit experiment, frequency of light is 6 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, and distance between centers of adjacent fringes is 0.75 millimeters. If the screen is 1.5 meters away, what is the distance between the slits? Fine, you have to find out the distance between the slits. So firstly, we do not have the wavelength, but we have the frequency. So first we need to find the wavelength. How to find the wavelength? See, frequency is 6 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8. So you will use this expression. Speed of light is frequency multiplied by wavelength. So that is, speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by frequency is 6 into 10 to the power 14. So this will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. This is your wavelength. Now beta, fringe width is already given as 0.75 millimeters. So once you'll put in this formula, D will be lambda capital D by beta, which is 1.5 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by value of beta, that is 0.75 millimeters, or 0.75 into 10 to the power minus 3. So you will get your answer as 10 to the power minus 3 meters, or simply you can say 1 millimeters. Fine. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Yes or no? Understood or not, class? Okay, okay. Refer to knowledge. Fine, class. Now see, now you don't need to join the classes. We have done revision twice as well. We have had the class tests also, 2 small tests within the class also have taken. Your mock tests are already going, and now in this month of February, after 20 to 25 days, you already have your main board examination. So instead of joining the class, use that time to study, to revise, and collect your doubts. Like Fatima is the one only, I think, out of all of you who keep sending her doubts. Fatima, it's better, I think you can directly send your doubts on my number. Fine, Fatima,
Okay,
because
teacher.
they then forward it, then I think it becomes very late. I think yesterday also you got the reply of all the messages quite late because it is just forwarding that happens. So you can directly on a personal number, you can send me whatever doubts you have. Yesterday, I understand it was very urgent because you had an exam today. But apart from that, all you can send at Learnivio's number as well. You can, all of you can send your doubts here also. If you think it is such a doubt that could be cleared on WhatsApp only, like if you have a doubt in a question, so I'll send you write the solution of the question, I'll click a picture and send you. That is also possible. If you think you have a doubt in a specific topic, let's take some random topic example. Let's say you are having doubt in Young's double slit experiment. Someone is studying, the person is not able to understand and recall what was done in Young's double slit experiment. So best way, just text me, I'm having doubt in this topic, when it's not a numerical or a question. So I'll just take a 15 minutes class, half an hour class, 1 hour class, 2 hour class, depending upon your doubts. Whatever portion you are having difficulty, whether it's a complete full chapter also, let me know. I'll do that chapter also thoroughly again if you want. If a specific topic is there, let me know. I'll do that on topic only. It can be one-to-one class also. If you want, you can have your entire batches classes. Fine, class. So you can leave now. Let me know whatever queries, doubts you have. Okay, class. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Best of luck.
Thank you very much, teacher.
Thank you.